This mini jaw tiller powered by a 5-horsepower machine is ideal for tea plantations. It features a strong crank mechanism designed to prepare the soil by breaking it up, removing weeds, and mixing fertilizers. This design enhances soil quality, promotes root penetration, and ensures long-term tea plant health. We developed a new tiller machine with a focus on optimizing functionality, efficiency, and user experience. The process began with an analysis of existing machines to understand their mechanisms, material composition, and overall system integration. The reverse engineering process allowed us to develop a unique tiller that not only retains the reliability of existing models but also incorporates modern technology and design improvements that meet the needs of today's farmers. We are pleased to announce our open invitation to collaborate with CeylonCAD on any upcoming or ongoing design projects related to machinery. If your organization has any specific design requirements, modifications, or new machine concepts that require development, our team is ready to assist with tailored solutions. Whether you need support for new machine development, modifications of current designs, or improvements in efficiency and durability, our team is equipped to help. We ensure that each project is handled with precision, attention to detail, and the highest standards of engineering excellence. For more information or to discuss your project requirements, please contact us. We look forward to partnering with you on your next machine design project.